What's up, guys? Welcome to the V2lab vlog, and today's the Adam LZ open house coverage. I'm actually filming this after the fact because I didn't really get to do much talking. We got there at like 9 a.m. and things got super crazy right away, and you know, just all the setup and all that stuff. I shot this video half on the Ronin S and half handheld. Hopefully you enjoy that. It's just a mix and match and trying to get like the atmosphere right and like trying to show you guys like how the event was, as opposed to just covering car after car after car. I actually ended up not being able to film the like main YouTuber dudes' cars that were like there during the event because there were so many people crowded around. But I did get them at the end of the event when it was dark, like when everybody left, and we were just kind of like after hours hangs and stuff like that. So I just got it for you guys. And but if you're not really into the cinematic stuff and you want like more of an organic personal vlog, my girlfriend shot vlogs yesterday. She shot I Love Driving Slow vlogs. They're super good. Be sure to check those out. I have links in the description below and in the comments for you guys to like watch them. Her videos are super good. They're awesome. She usually shoots makeup videos, but these are like her car vlogs since she comes along with me everywhere. Well, basically we're always together anyways, but she's, you know, she just started shooting from her own perspective, and they're super good and just really interesting to watch because it's more personal as opposed to like just, hey, look, there's a car, there's an engine, there's nonsense, whatever. I mean, you know. So check those out. Anyways, gonna jump into this coverage, and be sure to stay tuned. Like, follow, subscribe, anything like that. I've got a bunch of Jay-Z stuff coming up with the swap going in the BMW in the next couple of weeks. We just went to Lexus, picked up bolts. Everything's going together. Just waiting on the management now. So enjoy the video.
We got one rule.
I mean, I don't build Tesla motors.
No more Evos. Security.
Except for Navo with the baseball. This moment for like 3 years. Ready? First round.
Is this my music video or a dance? Hold this. There you go, that's it. I want to be able to. Nine. Dang, Robbie.
Hey, you better park that shit.
Oh man, I'm so dizzy. Oh, I don't know.